Like this. Any problem in this world? Why we are quarreling ourselves in our one family of Mahaprabhu? What is the reason we are?
We have not drunk from the cup containing this formula.
Oh, these four qualities are not there. We don't want to give proper respect to devotees, seniors or juniors. We want to control them by money, by hook and crook. And we want to take all the prestige ourselves, not giving to anyone. And not we are humble than what blade or something. Oh, anything not an abha semblance of Trinadapi Shunya. Never. And we are not tolerant. Why it has been given example of tree?
Because every part of the tree is simply meant for others. Nothing of the tree is meant for himself. For example, the fruits are meant for others, and even if somebody is throwing stone, instead of abusing or reacting badly, the tree is silent and yet he gives fruits. The leaves, the bark, the wood, everything is thus used for others. And then if somebody is burning in the sunshine and he comes and he gets shade also, he may not even water the tree, and tree will not even say, oh, you have not given me this thing, but he's always giving and always giving.
Can you be like this? If you want Krishna Prem first and you want to chant Hari name, oh, be like this. Don't abuse anyone. Don't criticize anyone. And if he is pure devotee, and then if you are criticizing, what will be? Oh, Krishna himself will come and punish you. He will not come, perhaps. He will send Jamadut of very big teeth and to crush them. Don't make anything. So, if you want to be a pure devotee, Mahaprabhu is telling, and Chaitanya Charitamrita is telling, I wanted to do bhajan, but this slok became what?
On the way.
Obstacle. Krishna bhajaner bada chilo sad, Tidandapi shloker lege galo. We want to chant, remember here Hari Katha to be a high class of devotee. But this is slok. Very much obstacle we cannot be. If like Trinadapi Suni, Tarurapi Sahinsuna. And if you are not giving proper respect, not to all in one degree, proper respect to proper category of Vaishnava. Kanishta, Uttam, Madhyam, Madhyam. Knowingly, but who will know? If he is not Madhyam Adhikari pure, he cannot decide. He cannot give provision. Or only for one farthing of this worldly money, oh, he can do anything. He may shoot his Gurudev. He insult his Gurudev. He can cut his head. Then what is this thing?